Is if your opponent's so worried about them getting hit, make him think you're gonna hit him and catch him with a big shot. A lot of people nowadays, they're just too busy to get in a brawl. They think boxing is one punch and light out. Nah, it can be like.
Boxing is often described as a sport that requires mental toughness, especially because it involves getting hit and pushing through physical and emotional pain. A boxer's ability to remain focused after being knocked down, dealing with adversity in the ring, or bouncing back after a loss is a huge part of the sport. Techniques like visualization and positive self-talk can help build that resistance. So I don't ever want to hear y'all say, I can't do it. In life, period. You can get it done.
If your opponent's so worried about them getting hit, make him think you're gonna hit him and catch him with a big shot. A lot of people nowadays, they're just too busy to get in a brawl. They think boxing is one punch and light out. Nah, it can be like.
What's up, man? How you doing?
What up, Papa? Thanks for the other day. What's up, Mikey? You alright? What's up, Rock? Let's go, Rock. That's Mr. Miyagi, man. Mr. Miyagi. Yeah.
Oh no.
Here, you're not here, and make sure your hands ain't balled up, you know, before you punch, okay? And don't make sure this ain't hunched up. That's the guy that's fighting tight. I'm reading him already, right? You're loose here. This hand is not bent, this hand's not tight. It's like this. You know, when it goes, then, boom, you know? But to keep your muscles loose, this never walk around tight like this. It's always here. You know. Now when you throwing, you tighten it up right at the end. You know. And you come down. Some time at your head when you get ready to throw something. You want to be able to dot. No read, no telegraph.
Tight. We impenetrable. Unconquerable. Unconquerable. Can't break in. Can't break in. Can't break in. Our defense is sound. Solid. tripping. Whatever punch it is, emphasize that back punch.
But like when you're out there, like out there. Yeah.
Let's hop on the bag, guys.
Tell you.
Nah.
Tell you. If I do, you know me. Come on, man.
I'm working on
fucking gone. I said, where are my gloves? Coach said, the name went on. I only fought 4 fights last year, but it felt like a lot for me.
That's all he sees. Yeah, he think it's coming. Little flick. Make your back.
Everybody follow me.
Right as you can, right? Timing.
I'll make you do it. Come on, Wyatt. You got it, man. Come on, you gotta do it. Hold on. There you go. Come on. I'm talking about you can't do it. Don't say that. Let's go.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Yeah. Stand around.
Come on here, guys. Come on.
Relax. Get loose. It's important that you fight loose. Make sure that couple of little tips on how to keep this up here loose. How to throw loose punches. Don't keep your fist balled up before they go. They shouldn't be tight already. But when you throw, they're gonna be tight. That's a tight thrown punch. If the arms are loose like this, they ain't even balled up. So by the time I ball that thing up, it's like right at the end. Pow! You know? Pow! Pow! Open, relax, tight, pow! Pow! That's hip jamming. It's harder. Keep the arm loose. Ha! In. And out. Back out. Don't tighten up here too. Throw that shit like tight. All this. You got might be fighting like this. Fist tight. Shoulders hunched up. He's tight. He's tight. All that stuff got to be loose and down. You know, loose. Hands not tight.
Come over here.
Loose. No. Pop, pop, pop. You know.
Take a seat.
Nah.
Right on over here anyway. Take a seat. Everything y'all do, you're a product of your own hard work. You come in here and work hard, you be great. You come in here and half do it, you're gonna get half the result. Every time. Every time. You gotta give it your all. If you wanna be great, you gotta outwork your opponent. All the time you battling yourself. Like Max, you battling yourself every day. 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 You gotta wake up in the morning and fight yourself. Look in the mirror. Say you're gonna be great today. It starts in the morning. It starts in the morning. It starts in the morning. All you guys can do it. You go far in life. But it's a couple different life skills that y'all gotta have down. Discipline is one of them. You gotta stay focused. You gotta stay consistent. Mental toughness. Developing resilience, focus, and confidence to overcome challenges. That's mental toughness. Motivation. Understanding what drives athletes to push through obstacles. Maintain consistent effort. Every day it's about how much effort you put into your workout. Thinking about it. Think about the skills. Think about what y'all go through. Just think about it. Put your body through it. And the discipline starts here and it transitions to your house, to the real world. There's rules to life. You got to follow them or you get in trouble. And there's consequences that happen when you get in trouble. Which one of y'all just got in trouble recently? Which one of you guys? Put your hand up. Was it you? Yeah, it was you. Boxing is often described as a sport that requires mental toughness, especially because it involves getting hit and pushing through physical and emotional pain. A boxer's ability to remain focused after being knocked down, dealing with adversity in the ring, or bouncing back after a loss is a huge part of the sport. Techniques like visualization and positive self-talk can help build that resistance. So I don't ever want to hear y'all say, I can't do it in life, period. You can get it done. Somebody told me I wasn't able to build a boxing gym in Bethany. Guess what happened? Y'all living in it. Y'all living in the dream right now. Somebody told me that about 7 years ago. I told them, guess what? I'm going to have a gym in Bethany. Somebody told me, hey man, you look older, you may not be able to box like you think. Guess what? I made it to about 8-2 as a professional. My last fight I took in Vegas, I about $10,000 opened up the gym. You guys can make it happen. Whatever you want to do, you can make it happen. You got teachers, you got elders around you everywhere you go. Sit down and talk to us. Sit down and talk to us. We'll give y'all the skills, we'll give y'all the knowledge that we wish we had when we was y'all age. That's it. You just gotta listen, it's there. It's already here. Sit down and talk to your dad. Be like, hey dad, man, what do I need to do? Yeah! Sit down and talk to him. Say, hey, what do I need to do? Get it right. Get it together right now, guys. Get it together right now. Focus and concentration. Split-second decisions can determine a victory or a loss. Distractions like fatigue, pain, crowd noise can break concentration. Cognitive strategies such as mindfulness, cue words, and just hard work can help a boxer. It can help you overcome those external factors. So cognitive stuff, let's go back to that. Cognitive means that you're doing it without even thinking about it. You created that muscle memory. We work on the jab so much that it becomes cognitive. You don't even got to think about the jab, and you can throw the jab correctly, right? Because you work on it. It's cognitive at that point. You don't have to think about it anymore. It's muscle memory, like riding a bike. I'm pretty sure all y'all can ride a bike, right? You don't got to be re-taught how to ride a bike because it's muscle memory. It's cognitive at that point. That's why we train so hard and we practice so hard. So all those motions become cognitive, guys, so you don't have to think about it. You don't have to think about how to throw a jab, cross, step away, defend yourself, because we practice every single day. But you got to come practice the right way. You can't be in here half doing it and expect it to be committed to your memory and expect to throw it perfect every single time if you don't practice perfect. Practice perfection. Practice being perfect. You're bound to make mistakes. That's okay. We're all human. But get back in the lab and do it again. Do it again, do it again, do it again. Rest in peace, one of my brothers in boxing named Paul. He died, rest in peace. He came to our gym, I boxed him. You know, it's my brother in life for the rest of my life. He said, just do it. And do it, and do it, and do it until you get the job done. I'm gonna say it one more time. He said, just do it. And do it, and do it, and do it until you get the job done. What's Nike's logo? Just do it. That's for a reason. So don't ever let me hear you say I can't do it. Just get it done. That's all I got for y'all tonight. We're going to keep talking. I'm going to get y'all mind right. We're going to talk about sports psychology. We're going to talk about what it takes to be a champion in life, inside and outside of the ring. I ain't going to give up on y'all. I'm going to be here every single day. And if y'all have questions, come talk to me, all right? Yes, sir? Yes, sir. All right, good class, guys.
Good, we want you inside, bro. Good short shots. Don't do nothing lazy now. Stay on defense when you're punching. Keep studying. Studying. Try to get skinny a little bit, Renzo. Take away half that body. Looking at it though. You're seeing what you can get if you can go. There you go. That's how you take away up half of your body. There you go. Tight, stay in that box, dog. Block him. Don't panic. Nice. Good. You'd be surprised if your eyes don't panic. Right there. Okay? Never panic when a guy's throwing hard. Never panic if he go off on a flurry. You know, just give him a little laugh after he gets hit, man. What you say, huh? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Rock. Right there. You gotta bring that to your game. You know, you gotta build them legs up, though. You know. Yeah.
But Usyk does the same thing.
Yeah.
Usyk does this. This is all he does. Boom, 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 boom. You never stop bouncing. So you never know. Boom, boom, boom. You getting those angles? Yeah.
I think the headbutt though. I look back up
That's that Russian style.
Yeah.
They bouncing like that. Yeah, Yeah. That drove Canelo crazy when he fought Bill, man. Yeah. Usyk is great at it. You know? Yeah. He getting it done, dog. He beating them all.
And he ain't even a natural heavyweight.
No, he not. He not. Yeah. 1, 2. Yeah. Go. Ha ha. Go. Ha ha.
It looks better with the white shoe though.
Double it.
Yeah, I like that white shoe.
Go. Ha ha. There you go.
I didn't know Russell got it like that.
Ha. Ha.
Oh.
Ha ha. Yeah. Ha ha. Hey, come here. Again. Jump. Ha ha. Bang. Bang. Go. Ha ha.
Knock him
Go.
out.
Ha ha.
Knock Coach out.
Go. Ha ha. Go. Step back. Read your step back. And go. Ha. Read him. You can tell when they get ready to come. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Good reading. Good reading. Ha. Double. Crank the double. There you go. There you go. Ha. Ha. Good. Ha. Your back foot behind that hippie. Yeah. Ha. Ooh, yeah. Ha. Good. Ha. Good. Ha. Ha. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Ha. Oh, back fast.
Jesus never pray. I'm
working on that mental game, man. Heck yeah.
You're not prayer, coach.
Huh?
You're not prayer.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hey, look, coach.
Y'all should have came on over here. Yeah.
Tomorrow after workout.
Huh?
Tomorrow again.
Yeah. Take these workouts serious, man. All the way to the top, baby. On the bottom to the top.
25, yep.
Nobody saw it except from the top to the bottom. Everybody started from the bottom to the top. Who in the hell has started at the top and came down to the bottom? No one. You start at the bottom and you work your damn way to the top. Not the other way around. For sure.
Another Monday in the bank. Take it, bring it to me, and let me take it to the
It ain't gonna
bank.
come easy. It ain't gonna come easy. It ain't gonna come easy. Gotta train. Train to dominate the fight, not just barely win. I'm sitting there like, you don't know if you won or not, and we're both nervous. And I'm talking about dominate. I want to be clapping. I want to know you've already won the fight before the judges even come over there. That's domination. Yeah, that's dominating the fight. He know you won before the judge. I know you won before the judges even. Everybody know out there that you won the fight before the judges even come together and y'all can raise your hand. That's domination. You have to train hard if you want to dominate your opponent. In anything, you know.
Bring it to me. I take it to the bank.
I'm trying to get his mind right, man. Long time. Long time.
I'm trying to get like y'all, man. Stay that blessed, brother. Y'all blessed. You gotta
See you, Tim. Today, man. Sir.
You ain't got to hurry to justify. I got it tomorrow. You got to hurry to justify. We got to
Man, I'm gonna stay around as long as I can, man. To learn as much as I can.
When you get them hurt, you know you've been around a while.
Start letting fighters spend the night with you and stuff, and share your home with you. You real training in. All right, man. All right, man.
I've been doing that so many
times. You ain't real training till then, man.
Tomorrow,
All right, yeah. We
Real deal.
I don't let so many fighters live with me, man.
That's a real trainer there, dog. You ain't training till that happens, man.
Mike stayed with me for.
You ain't training till that happens.
Mike stayed with me for about a year, man. That's right. All time.
You want to work on it till you spar the next time. And pretty soon you'll get to where you're not even getting. It's a good feeling to be in that ring and you don't even get tired. You don't struggle with it. Now you're confident that you're not going to get tired in your rounds now. Now you trust your conditioning now. That's huge. You can train 7 days a week and still be worried about getting tired. That's not confidence. Okay, it don't mean anything if you don't have confidence in it. Are you in shape enough to win the fight and throw punches and win the fight? You know, so you gotta. Your mind has to be the first one to make the first initiative. Your mind game has to be on point. What are you thinking in your mind when you fighting a good opponent and he's really good? You're thinking just like you were thinking when you fought that guy from Oklahoma and he was 1-10, you know. The same confidence you had when you faced him, you should have the same confidence fighting the guy that's 50-5. You know, always remember when facing a good opponent, it's your night to shine.
Communication. Make sure you communicate, Angel.
Yeah.
Okay.